Hello, and thank you for taking the time to review our first half of 2024 highlight. My name is Dalal Sami, and I'm a consultant certified in Employee Central, Reporting, and Time Management. I'm located in London, England, and work for Veritas Prime, a global SAP SuccessFactors partner. We are one of the world's leading HR transformative consultancies, specializing in implementing and supporting SuccessFactors with clients across the globe. As part of our release coverage, I will be reviewing some key release updates for time management. For complete release analysis, you can connect with us on our website at veritasprime.com, the Contact Us link, or for our current clients, reach out to your project manager or CSM. Let's begin by looking at our first highlight. Introduction to monthly timesheets. This is a long-awaited feature which actually comes from a customer community idea. Previously, SAP allowed viewing timesheets on a weekly basis in a list view. Now, SAP has introduced a new calendar month UI, which displays all relevant time entries such as absences, working and on-call times, and allowances. To enable the monthly approval of timesheets, time valuation period field on the time recording profile object is now renamed to time recording approval period, which stores working and on-call times as well as allowances. This feature is incredibly useful for employees, managers, and administrators as they can get a better overview of an employee's attendance and absence recordings through the new calendar month UI. Moving on, we have Timesheet Approval Center. Previously, managers or approvers had to navigate through multiple pages gathering key information before approving or declining timesheet submitted by employees. SAP have now introduced a Timesheet Approval Center, a one-stop shop for all things timesheet related, providing a single, comprehensive overview for managers to view important contextual information such as submitted and non-submitted time, timesheet key details, absences, and missed time punches to name a few of their employees' timesheet requests. Managers have the ability, just like last time, to approve or decline single timesheet requests. However, now they can perform a mass approval of all employee timesheets using the Approve All button. Managers and approvers can also review timesheet key facts such as time type groups, allowance types, time off in lieu balance, and working time account balance of employees. Furthermore, timesheet statuses are displayed in the Timesheet Approval Center too. Please note, timesheet approval centers only work with weekly timesheets at this moment in time. It does not support the monthly timesheets. Some of the configuration requirements include customers having SAP time tracking license. Next up, we have creating and deleting time events using SAP SuccessFactors mobile application. Now, previously, if an employee forgot to clock time, there was no way to record the missing time at a later point, thus severely limiting usability of the app. However, now, clock in clock out employees can create a manual time event or delete an approved time event straight from the SAP SuccessFactors mobile application. Additionally, unpaired time events are provided on the landing page of Timesheet and act as a reminder to take appropriate action, that is, clocking out, when they remain unpaired for a certain amount of time. This feature enhances the SAP SuccessFactors mobile application usability, thereby making the employee self-service process operate with improved efficiency. Next on the list, we have calendar-based automatic approval of pending timesheet workflow requests. Timesheets need to be approved by a certain date to ensure employees are paid on time. At times, timesheet statuses stay pending due to inactivity from the approver's end. To counteract this, SAP have introduced a processing user to the time recording calendar. Now, you may be wondering, what is a processing user? Well, a processing user is any user in the organization who has permissions to manage workflows. The processing user can automatically approve pending workflows by a certain date. This way, timesheet approvals will no longer be halted due to inactivity from the approver. Additionally, the processing user can automatically approve pending timesheets, thereby helping customers pay their employees on time. Last on our list comes from another customer community idea: filterable allowance type list. With this new feature, it's possible to hide certain allowance types from the selection dropdown based on certain conditions, such as legal entity. Previously, all available allowance types from a time profile were shown, which could cause confusion for employees. In an effort to streamline the employee experience, SAP have eliminated allowances not applicable to certain employees, thus providing them a more personalized experience. In terms of implementation effort, most of the features we've discussed today are universal and do not warrant any additional implementation. There are, however, levels to implementation. Low-level implementation, for example, would typically require 2 hours or less in HMC, which is our support cloud. Medium-level implementation would typically be between 2 to 8 hours of configuration to fulfill the implementation requirements, and a high-level implementation would typically take over 8 hours of configuration for full implementation. Thank you for taking the time to go over SAP's 1H 2024 time management features.